Kwi-podcast kaDr Mbuyiseni Ndlozi, African Renaissance, bekukhona u-NTZ, uDr Nkosazana Dlamini-Zuma. Ziningi izinto akhulume ngazo mayixoxa noDr Mbuyiseni Ndlozi, kodwa kunephuzu alivezile elithinta iconference yango-2017 lapho ayekhampeyina naye njengomuntu wayefuna ukuba upresident weqembu i-African National Congress. Umbuzile kuDr Mbuyiseni Ndlozi kwenzakalani? Washo ukuthi cha yena wayezitshela uzowina, kodwa-ke akwenzekanga. Uyayisola kodwa ukuthi imali yayikhona lapho. Sibonile ivideo khona itrendile. Ufikile Mbalula ngoba igama lakhe ulibalulile uDr Nkosazana Dlamini-Zuma lapho mayikhuluma noDr Mbuyiseni Ndlozi. Userespondile. Ngifisa ukukucaphunela ivideo kaDr NTZ bese-ke sifunda istatement sikaMbalula. Cela uzwe la.
You tried again in 2017, and what do you think happened there?
I have no idea. I thought I was going to win, but maybe money, maybe, I don't know.
There is a big problem of money that did come out. When you looked at those statements that nobody denied.
Yeah, I mean, you remember there was also a voice thing from Lamula saying they're waiting for the money because this NTZ thing is going to disturb if the money doesn't come. So,
what does that make of that ANC leadership that came out of that conference?
well, since then, money has played a big role in the ANC.
You reckon even in 2022, money was central?
Oh, you remember there was money that was found in somebody's room, 500 million, on the first morning of the conference.
In
First day of the
2022.
Yes. And also, Balula was dishing the money in the clinic. So money has played a role in the ANC.
He was dishing money proudly,
Yeah,
like openly.
openly, yeah. It wasn't like a secret.
Openly to be elected as the SG.
To be elected and for the president to be elected. And
But the ANC rules are clearly, or are they not? Are they silent about the use of money? As I understand, the use of money is criminal in terms of conferences of the ANC.
money was used. We all know. We all know. We all saw it. At least in 22, we saw it. If you ask anyone who worked at the clinic at the time, they'll tell you. Even the media reported it, so it's not I'm not revealing a secret. The media reported it at the time.
What do you think it translates into this leadership board conference?
Well, ANC money is playing a big role in the ANC in choosing leadership. That's what I can say. Because it was in the media and we saw it.
Icala lithethwa ngofakazi. Ngithe ngaphambi kokuba ngifunda istatement sikafikile Mbalula ngoba obvious uzophika. Fikile Mbalula kunekhono lokuphika. Uphika into ekade isho ngayizolo, ayiphike namhlanje. Uzoyiphika vele lento eshow NTZ. Kodwa ngithe mina ngaphambi kokuba ngikucaphunele noma sifunde istatement esikhishwe ufikile Mbalula emveni kokuba kuphume le podcast, angiqale ngikuzwise la.
When Cyril got elected CR17, he lost the election, but at the very last minute, with funding organized by Stephen Kossoff from a lot of good South Africans, allowed Cyril to bribe David Mabuza to cross the floor and win. Okay?
Robesof usikhiphela into esingayazi ukuthi kwi-CR17 campaign la u-NTZ athi wayezitshela uzowina khona kodwa akazi kwenzakalani. Useyasitshela u-NTZ ukuthi kunemali uyamusho nomuntu owakhipha imali. Wadizela uDidi Mabuza. uDidi Mabuza uyena owavota noCyril ukuze awine ngoba kuba wavota noNTZ kwakuzoyena uNTZ. Sizokhumbula ukuthi emncwabeni kaDidi Mabuza ke kwaba khona isigwili lesakwaGumede sathi uMalema, uBantu Olomisa, anjubani omunye sambala, Solima Paile. Sababala sathi ningakhohlwa umhlangano esaba nawo ku-Good Friday ngo-2017, umhlangano waba khona eGoli lapho kwathathwa khona lesinqumo bathi babenzela ukusave country. La kwahlanganiswa khona lonke leli tulo lokuthi angawini uNTZ kodwa umuntu okufuneka athathe uPresident Cyril Ramaphosa. So njengoba ngishilo ngathi icala lithethwa ngofakazi. Uthe secasukile uRopesoff esebona izinto azihambi ngendlela ababefisa nabayitshela izohamba ngayo wasekhuluma kanje.
So I was going to start by saying Cyril Ramaphosa is a disgrace. He is a disappointment. He is an absolute embarrassment to this country and he should immediately resign. But I started with a little bit more. But I absolutely am going to tell you why. That man is a useless, spineless failure. And it's a bit of an embarrassment that Alec opened the introduction of me by saying that, you know, our family gave Cyril Ramaphosa the chance to step up. So if I'm to blame, I apologize to all of South Africa, all of Africa and the world for such a disgrace being the president of our country. And if we also gave Patrice Motsepe his step up by selling Angloval Mining to Patrice Motsepe, which is African Rainbow Minerals, I have to say something good about him first. He is a very good man and a decent man and a charming and generous man, and he was the first person in Africa to sign the Giving Pledge to give away a majority of his money when he dies to charity. First person in Africa. So Patrice,
Njengobuzwa futhi uyagcizelela uRopesoff ukuthi umndeni wakubo okuyibona abahlanganisa leli tulo lelahlanganiswa ukuze kudizelwe bani uDidi Mabuza ukuze kuwine uPresident Cyril Ramaphosa njengoba kwazi ukuwina icampaign kaCR17. Kodwa kuNTZ uphinde wasivezela ukuthi hayi even nango 2022 imali lapho idlala indima enkulu ngoba ngisho umbalula uSG namhlanje kungenxale yaleyo mali leyo eyayiphuma lapho. Ngoba ngiyazi ukuthi kunabantu abathanda iANC to a point ukuthi bebezoyidefenda ukube bengingamfakanga uRopesoff bekuzothiwa no NTZ ukhuluma ngoba ubhitha kodwa bayeke into ayikhulumayo. Ngakho ke bekubalekile ukuthi sifake uRopesoff asitshele njengomuntu owaziyo ukuthi ngubani owakhipha imali wakhokhela bani ukuze labo bantu labo badizeleke ukuze kwazi ukuthi iyenzeke lento ngendlela bona ababefisa ngayo aluzu NTZ. Ingakho ngithe icala lithethwa ngofakazi. Asifundeke naso statement esiphuma kuFikile Mbalula. Hloko sale statement sithi statement of Fikile Mbalula on the remarks concerning the use of money at the national conferences of the ANC. Siphume ngomhla ka-4 August 2026. Sifundeka kanje, open quotes. I have noted with deep regret and with real disappointment the remarks made by Comrade Dr. Nkosazane Clarence Dlamini Zuma on the African Renaissance podcast on the evening of the 3rd of August 2026 concerning the use of money at the 54th and 55th National Conference of our movement. Her remarks have created a wound so deeply, and it is for that reason that I cannot allow them to stand unanswered. I, Fikile Mbalula, deny these allegations in their entirety. I did not substitute money to delegates at the facility referred to as the clinic or anywhere else to procure my own election or the election of any other comrade. At the 55th National Conference or the 54th National Conference or at any conference, councils or gathering of the African National Congress, nothing of that sort was done by myself. I reject the allegations and reject the proposition that leadership of this movement was procured with money I distributed. I was elected at the 55th National Conference at Nasrec in December 2022 freely and fairly by the delegates of the branches, voting by secret ballot as Rule 12.3 of our Constitution requires, in a poll prepared, supervised, counted and declared by an electoral commission constituted under Rule 14, a commission whose membership of the National Conference itself endorsed, and to which every province and every one of the 4 leagues of the movement appointed a representative, not one branch, not one region, not one province, and not one league. Challenged that declaration then, and none have challenged it in the years since. Where any member holds information about wrongdoing, the doors of this organization are open to them. And the Integrity Commission exists for precisely that purpose. The African National Congress reserves its all rights and the rights of its official and national executive fully and without limitation. I have consulted with my attorney to seek clarity from Comrade Dlamini Zuma on her very damaging and painful allegations against my person. My appeal to all comrades and to all South Africans is that we do not permit this to distract us from the work the people have set us to go to every ward, every street, and every home, and to win the local government elections of the 4th of November 2026, issued by Fikile Mbalula in his personal capacity. Ngakho ngithe ngaphambi kokuba ngicaphe istatement esikaFikile Mbalula angiqale ngifake leya video kaRopesoff, ngoba umuntu owazi ngisho umuntu wagwazela ukuthi wagwazela abani, kwakubani wayigwaza. Ingakho ngithe ngaphambi kokuba nje sifunde le statement sikaFikile Mbalula asiqale kuleya video leya kaRopesoff. Cela ukuze ukuphala kwakho comment section ngizwe ukuthi wena ubona kanjani kulolu daba esilixoxayo. Mina nawe bese sidibana kwivideo elandelayo. Ngiyabonga kakhulu.